The counseling for the Ayurveda, Unani, and homeopathy courses is started by the KEA board, and the dates for the registration and for the verification of documents and option entry and when the seat matrix will be released is also put up on the KEA board. So, and there are so much information given by the KEA board regarding the counseling procedure and all. So, the registration starts on 1st of February. Okay, sorry, not on 1st of February, on 28th January, and it will end on 1st of February. Up to 1st of February you can register from tomorrow. Okay, from 28th January. Then when you should upload the documents, okay, for Karnataka candidates. Okay, so on 1st of February to 3rd of February, okay, up to these 3 days you can upload your documents. Okay, means document verification procedure is this. Okay, then offline verification of documents. So you need to go to the helpline centers where they will verify your documents, the documents which you have uploaded online. Those will be verified offline. Okay, you need to go to the helpline centers and all. Okay, on February 2nd to 4th February, there is only 2 days. Maybe they will extend the dates and all. So but these are the dates released now. Okay, and the seat matrix will also be put up on the KA board. Note these seats. Okay, the Ayush seats are only for Karnataka candidates. The Karnataka candidates are only eligible for admission to this Ayush courses. The non-Karnataka candidates are totally not eligible. Okay, these seats are only for Karnataka candidates. Now there is some instructions, okay, given by KA board. If you have already got seat in medical or dental, okay, MBBS or BDS seat, then you can't apply for this counseling of Ayush. Okay, but if you have got seat in the veterinary and engineering courses, okay, through CET, those candidates can apply for this registration. Okay, for the counseling of Ayush courses to get an Ayush seat, BMS or BHMS seat. Okay, those are eligible. For that, what you need to do is you need to surrender your seat. Okay, not before getting seat. If you got a BMS seat, then after that you need to surrender your engineering or veterinary seat. Okay, now if you have already registered before, okay, when counseling of medical and dental courses started, at that time if you have registered, okay, through KA board and verified your documents and you are holding a verification slip, then you need not to register once again. Okay, only you need to do is that go for the option entry. When the option entry will be released, at that time you need to option for the colleges, that is selection of the colleges. Okay, only that you need to do. But okay, then again second point is that if candidate has failed to download the verification slip. Okay, so before, if you have thought that you won't get a medical or dental seat, okay, let's leave it then. At that time you haven't downloaded the verification slip. For those candidates also, you can re-download your verification slip and all. Okay, next, the candidates who have verified the documents but not entered your NEET roll number on the KA website, those candidates must and should enter your NEET roll number, okay, to become eligible for admission to Ayush courses. Okay, next, if the candidates who apply online and pay the fees have to attend document verification with all the necessary original documents on the notified dates. Okay, the dates are also given, so on that date you need to go. Now, so the candidates who have entered NEET roll number but not verified their documents or any discipline should also attend the document verification with all the necessary original documents on the notified dates. Okay, so these are all instructions by KA board, and the registration will start on 28th January for only those candidates who have not registered, okay, already. So there is a chance. Okay guys, so that's all for now. Thank you.